Thank you.
It's kind of so cool.
Yes.
Right, Joshua. All right, let's load these two up.
Are we going in?
Yeah, hop in. There's a whole life of the RTs.
No, we were
Oh, sorry about
Yeah.
this. Sorry for the miscommunication. Sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about that.
Thank you.
Your turn.
Thank you. Hey man, how are you?
Once you buckle up, the door will close automatically.
Automatically? Okay.
And then you select the destination.
Yeah.
Start the ship.
Okay. We can pick any destination?
Yeah. They will have some selection.
Thank you.
Here's the last one.
Last one?
Westworld? New York?
Which one was
New
it?
York?
New York? Yeah.
New York will be a nice thing.
Okay.
It's a 5 days trip.
Yeah. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. I think he's the guy who used to work at the opening it.
Is this games?
What about the map?
This feels like it's plastic. It's paint, maybe. I don't know. It feels. It's pretty simple. Yeah, just a big open space.
So comfortable, no? No seat controls though.
Pretty comfy. I wonder if it reels back. So this is the window.
Check this out. Push way back.
Yeah. Just a big open space. Oh, it took a lap.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's put it back. Oh yeah. Check this out. 3D. Check this out. Oh, it's going this way.
Block party. This is the map.
Ooh. Huge screen. This is it. This feels exactly like FSD, but with
There's
supervised.
no
we don't need to
steering wheel.
supervise it.
Yeah.
You can use cell phones. You can. Oh, look at that! Wow, almost there. Wow.
Right here. Recline. So much room.
But it's comfy because there's nothing here, you know.
Yeah, there's a lot of leg room. Sleep.
That's the windows.
I wonder if it reclines.
Oh, this is great.
Hold up.
So comfy, no?
We
Hmm?
didn't even walk over here.
Yeah, we didn't walk here. Dojo. Cybernetics.
We just made it.
Yeah, we just made it.
Yeah.
There's a couple more people and that's it, right?
Yeah.
Good timing, Kevin. Good timing.
It's here.
Almost there, right? There's a little back up. You want to go home?
So this has a
Like,
yeah. This one box.
oh, there's a camera.
There's no.
Front facing camera there.
The back is so slick. Like.
How's your ride, guys?
Smooth.
Ooh,
Smooth.
About to call it. Glad you guys were able to get a couple rides.
Yeah.
1, 2, 5. How many rides you guys get to take?
Just one.
Just one? Oh man.
So what?
Yeah, a lot of guys are saying that. Like, I got one. Some guys are like, I did it 10 times. I'm like, you lucky duck.
Wow. 10
Wherever he
times?
was going, that was the spot.
Wow. So there's like 20 of them right now?
20 of them in the whole room.
20.
We got them all.
Right. Who's that? We haven't been to this section, no?
No, we didn't even go everywhere.
What's this section?
This is New York. They're closing now, right?
They're closing. They're still waiting, I guess.
Wrapping it up.
They're wrapping it up. Man, they started late and
Yeah, they start really late.
it sucks.
Hello.
Two emergencies. Lasers. We haven't even come here.
Yeah. we
Where's
didn't
this?
even come here. Let's just do a quick walk.
Yeah,
Are
before they kick us out.
Are they kicking people out, right? I think they
guess
already have.
soon.
Because they're standing here. You can't go in there.
Where's Alex and David?
They left.
They left?
Yeah.
Where to?
I don't know. Just went home.
They went
Called
home?
it at night.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
How's your ride?
Beautiful.
Awesome.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Of
course.
Thank you.
Right this way,
Go this way?
Yeah, go ahead.
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Have a good night. Thanks, guys.
Everything needs to go back to West Coast for now. Might be your only option.
Sounds good.
And then go ahead and hit start after you pick a spot.
You're very welcome.
Yeah. Stay there.
Glad you enjoyed that. Yeah, if you want, you can select the destination. Then hit start trip. That's it. Select your destination first.
What's the furthest one to go to?
I think it's
Anybody wants to ride? This one? Yeah, anybody wants to ride?
We can go again. We,
Do you guys want to go in?
we can go again. Yeah, we can go again. Kevin, let's go. We can go again. Yeah, go ahead. Thank you. Kevin, come.
Get back, man. Who is this? They just do it again. Hop back.
The two.
Westworld.
Yeah, sure. Alright.
Trip back.
Ooh, we haven't
it's a
seen
light
it.
show.
We haven't seen this section at all.
Yeah. We just stuck around.
Oh, there's a semi-truck there. See that?
Semi. Oh, semi's right there.
Yeah. That's kind of cool. Original Model S. negotiating. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Somebody parked there. Roadster. Cybertruck. We got him twice.
I'm surprised no one went. Sure went
Nope.
and walked over to New York and
So where did Alex and David go?
I think they went home.
They went home?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what they said in the chat.
Oh really?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Well, I think it would just be flat for until like the stock.
Hmm?
So it'll probably just be like flat.
Oh, for stock?
Yeah. Like I don't think it'll go to the moon or
Oh, Cyberquad.
this software.
You can actually stop, right? Crazy. Oh yeah, this is Westworld. I think they're at the
So hard. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Rocket League. Oh yeah. Oh, this is not the game.
Oh look at that, look at that.
Yeah, he's filming for the event.
Crazy.
The screen is huge.
Huge, yeah?
Yeah.
Bigger than Cybertruck. Smooth, yeah? Very smooth.
Oh, they got one here now.
Oh yeah. I wasn't there before.
Well, they moved the cyber.
What if we press open? You think it's gonna go? Oh yeah.
Welcome back. We're back.
Thank
Welcome
you.
back.
Thank you.